Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reactivate your Instagram account on an Android device. If you've temporarily deactivated your account and want to get back to sharing moments, don't worry, it's quick and easy. Let's jump right in. Reactivating your Instagram account on an Android device is simple. All you need is the Instagram app and your login credentials. Start by launching the Instagram app on your Android device. Once the app is open, enter your username, email, phone number, and password. After that, hit the login button. If your account was temporarily deactivated, it will be restored instantly. Sometimes, Instagram might ask you to verify your identity, especially if the account was inactive for a while. You may receive a code via email or phone number. Just follow the prompts to complete the process, and that's it. You've successfully reactivated your Instagram account on your Android device. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.